So guys, I got the new Insta360 Go 2 and I'm trying it out. I heard it's a very good camera. It's an action camera. So the plan is, well, I haven't cycled in a very long time, and I've gained a lot of weight, as in a huge amount of weight. So the plan is to go cycling, try it out, see if I like it, see if the footage is nice. Then later on, I think I'm meeting up with Mark. If not, I'll do the translations myself. If I am, or if he's around, because we're having a family gathering, then I'll do Daniel's translation today with Mark. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the footage of my new camera. Well, I'll see when I'm doing the translation. See you soon. So I'm almost here. It's literally a ride, a few minutes, actually literally like a few seconds from here. So it's both for running, cycling. Actually, one can actually have picnics here as well. So it's a nice little park. Hi, how's it? Cool. Sorry.
It's okay.
Cool. Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Twi, the fun way with Twi Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi. I was supposed to have this lesson last week with Mark, but as you can tell, it's probably somewhere there somewhere around the screen, right? We tried, but the image was dark, so I decided to actually do another video, right? So for today's lesson, we have two people that needed something translated, and the very first person that needed something translated was Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And this is what Daniel wanted to know. The very first thing that Daniel wanted to know was, in that case, again, in that case, and that in Twi can be said as Sesa dia. Again, Sesa dia. One last time. Sesa dia. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, what are the details? Again, what are the details? Now that in Twi can be said as nkyerɛmu ni sɛn. Again, nkyerɛmu ni sɛn. One last time, slower. nkyerɛmu ni sɛn. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was warning. Again, warning. Now that in Twi can be said as Kɔkɔbɔ. Again, Kɔkɔbɔ. Slower. Kɔkɔbɔ. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I am warning you. Again, I am warning you. Now that in Twi can be said as Merebɔ kɔkɔ. Again, Merebɔ kɔkɔ. One last time. Merebɔ kɔkɔ. And remember, you do not have to put the re in the sentence, right? You can, in the word, I mean, you can easily say Merebɔ kɔkɔ. Again, Merebɔ kɔkɔ. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I am not scared of you. Again, I am not scared of you. Now that in Twi can be said as Mennsuro. Again, Mennsuro. One last time slower. Mennsuro. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I'm not scared. Again, I'm not scared. Now that in Twi can be said as Mennsuro. Again, Mennsuro. One last time. Mennsuro. Very slow. Mennsuro. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, so Daniel wanted to know the English translation of hefa. Again, hefa. One last time. Hefa. Now English translated literally is, where is that place? Again, where is that place? Slower. Where is that place? Now that in Twi again is hefa. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, which one did you get or buy? Again, which one did you get or buy? Now that in Twi can be said as Emu deɛn na wonyaae. Again, Emu deɛn na wonyaae. One last time. Emu deɛn na wonyaae, which in English should be which one did you get? Again, Emu deɛn na wonyaae. If you want to say which one did you buy, you can say Emu deɛn na wotɔɔe. Again, Emu deɛn na wotɔɔe. One last time. Emu deɛn na wotɔɔe. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, this is not the right way to live. Again, this is not the right way to live. Now that in Twi can be said as Ɛnnyɛ sei na yɛbɔ bra. Again, Ɛnnyɛ sei na yɛbɔ bra. Slower. Ɛnnyɛ sei na yɛbɔ bra. Bra in this context will be life or live, right? So again, Ɛnnyɛ sei na yɛbɔ bra. Now the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, then what do you have? Again, then what do you have? Now that in Twi can be said as Ɛneɛ deɛn na wowɔ. Again, Ɛneɛ deɛn na wowɔ. Let me say it slower. Ɛneɛ deɛn na wowɔ. One last time. Ɛneɛ deɛn na wowɔ. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. The next person that needed something translated was Eve. Eve wanted two things translated, and these are the things that Eve wanted to know. The very first thing is, please say it again. Again. Please say it again. Now that in Twi can be said as Mepawokyɛw ka no bio. Again, Mepawokyɛw, which is please, ka is say, no is that specific thing, bio is again. So again, Mepawokyɛw ka no bio. Slower. Mepawokyɛw ka no bio. One last time. Mepawokyɛw ka no bio. Now the next thing, or should I say the last thing that Eve wanted to know was, please say it slower. Again, please say it slower. Now that in Twi can be said as Mepawokyɛw ka no brɛoo. Again, Mepawokyɛw ka no brɛoo. Brɛoo is slow, right? So again, Mepawokyɛw, which is please, ka is speak, no is that specific thing, brɛoo is slow. So again, Mepawokyɛw ka no brɛoo. Eve, thanks again for your support. It was actually nice receiving your message. Guys, remember, well, this is the end of the lesson for today. Thanks again, Daniel and Eve, for your continued support, right? And guys, remember, if you need anything translated, right, please send through your comments. What I'll do is, chances are I'll actually respond in the comment section, and I'll make a video afterwards. As I said, sorry for the delays. As I said, March should be, well, March, I'll be freer in March. Then I'll make these videos more frequent, meaning every Monday there'll be a video that comes out. Just like now, I'm kind of going through some things and I'm doing some things, so I don't usually have the time to do these videos, and I apologize. I'm truly sorry, and sorry for the noise. I'm actually recording this outside, so I don't have much control over it. And remember, guys, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And please remember to spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi or find out what Twi is about come to this channel. Let them view the content, and if they like it, they will actually become a family. Guys, remember, you can get the Twi Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and those lessons, you learn Twi quicker. So with that, guys, lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.